Hello friends and potential friends. Jack here at Geeky Gardens. You can see I'm in the studio because the tail end of the front that has been wreaking havoc across the Gulf states for the last couple of days is kind of drifting through my area right at the moment. Mother Nature is watering my garden for me. So far I've gotten almost 8/10 of an inch in the last half hour. I'll take every drop I can get. We don't expect much more than that. Bit of rain, possibly as much as 2 inches. A little bit of wind perhaps. There's currently a tornado warning south of me, but like everything else in Florida, our tornadoes are usually pretty tiny. So it's not a big concern to me because it's staying away from me. Yesterday almost seemed like Christmas again. We had bright sunny skies. It was up a little bit over 80 degrees. And I had packages arriving. Now this isn't going to be an unboxing or anything like that. I knew these packages were coming. I just didn't expect them all to show up at the same time. So as soon as I did get here, I opened them. I wanted to see what I had. And one of the things that I had, besides my roommate here, my Gardening with Barchuckin shirt. My friend Rick over at the Gardening with Barchuckin channel held a 500 subscriber giveaway a week or so ago, and I wound up coming up first on the wheel. So the shirt just arrived yesterday. Looks good, fits good, and I'm proud to wear it for this video. And you'll be seeing it in a few others from time to time as well. If you haven't checked out Gardening with Barchuckin yet, I urge you to do so. He's relatively new posting on YouTube, but he does a lot of gardening projects, has a lot of good information. In particular, I've been binging on every Worm Bin Wednesday video he puts out because I'm learning things from him and how to take care of my own worm bin. But I'll put his link in the show notes and definitely give him a shot. Take a look. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit the buttons. The other package that I received came from Two Family Homestead. Now, if you're in the homesteading or gardening genre and you haven't found Two Family Homestead yet, what's going on? How can anybody in this community not know Daryl and Sherry? You definitely need to. I know they've been on a bit of a hiatus for the last few months due to problems that I'm not going to go into, but you know, they discuss them on the channel. You can go back and find out all the details if you want to. And the rest of us out here are just waiting for them to get everything sorted out so that they can come back, be back with us again. I know I speak for the whole community when I say we've missed them for the time they've been gone. We understand, and we will wait as long as it takes for them to sort everything out so that they can come back and get back into their activities again. But anyway, let me tell a little story. Back before I even started posting videos on YouTube, Two Family Homestead was one of the first channels that I came across and started watching. Now this was 2016, 2017, right in there. And one of the things they were doing back then was during their Monday night live streams, where they feature channels from all over the world, they were holding giveaways where they would give away a $2 bill. And I started watching that and I started thinking, you know, these are good people. I sure would like to have one of those to hang on the wall. Well, by the time I started really paying attention to my channel a little bit, they had stopped those giveaways, and so I figured I was out of luck. Well, they just started coming back, trying to come back. It's a little bit of a rough start so far, but one of the things that they started doing again, giving away those $2 bills. I guess they went and got another stash of them, and so they could bring back that tradition. And I can announce with honor that I now have a two-family homestead $2 bill. That will be going into a frame, by the way. And this will probably be the backdrop for it. I hope you can see that, because I received that $2 bill from Smudge. Now, if you don't know who Smudge is, go look for the link in the show notes and go over and find out. And incidentally, if you have ever seen a live stream from any of the homesteading gatherings, more than likely Daryl was behind the keyboard. He's been bringing those live streams to us for a number of years now, for those of us that couldn't make it to the live stream or to the gatherings and meetups and such. So check out the link in the show notes. Go over and say hi to Daryl and Sherry and thank them for all they've done for this community, because they've done so much. And with that, I think I'm finished here. I do have one more box I could open up. Yesterday I also received another Greenstock planter. Greenstock was having a sale for St. Patrick's Day, selling off their green towers, and I just couldn't resist getting one. So if the rain ever stops, I may have to go out and set up another tower. But until then, take it easy. Check out these two channels, and I'll see you next time.